Having children has definitely changed our relationship dramatically, I would say. As a woman, after you give birth, you're not ready to have sex. You don't want to be touched. You just want to be comforted because you're in so much pain after giving birth and everything. So that takes time to get back into rhythm of intimacy. So now your partner has to be patient with you, and it changes things because you have to be more plan focused because having a child, you're focused on the child. Sometimes you forget about yourself, and you want to make sure that you plan things accordingly and take time for yourself as well. So that has changed a lot for us. Like we had to refocus a lot of things within our relationship, and I have to be more like, okay, just because I'm feeling a little bit down and out, I shouldn't pour that negative emotion onto Kamar. And I saw myself becoming very nagging. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm becoming a nagging wife. I don't want to be a nagging wife. I had that self-awareness clicked into me. I was like, oh my gosh, this is not you. You got to change that. I was bringing negativity to Kamar and making him feel upset and angry because I was putting unnecessary anger towards him when it was just for no reason at all because my emotions are all over the place. So I was like, okay, I had to calm down and not being so angry about different things or upset when it was nothing to be really upset about.
Right, right. Coming from a male perspective, one thing you notice is all the focus now comes off of the relationship per se and goes on the new life that has been brought in. So we do tend to neglect each other and our needs and desires, especially like you said, intimacy, but that's something that's completely out of all of our control. You got to give it time to get back into the intimacy. Don't put again, a fixed time like they may say, oh, wait 8 weeks, but you may have to end up waiting 12 weeks. You may have to wait 16 weeks. So just be patient with you and your partner. And from a male perspective, again, you want to just be patient overall with your partner because their body is changed for life. Like their body will never be the same again. So we want to make sure that we're comforting them, we're there for them, because a lot is happening mentally, physically. Like we have to just take our time and just be there for our significant others because, again, they're going through an experience that they've never gone through before. While the human is designed for childbirth, childbearing, it's still going to be a new experience, whether it's child one, child two, child three, or child infinity, whatever it is. So, again, we just want to be supportive of our partner and take care of them in all regards that we can. If that means doing a couple little extra chores in the house, or doing more runs, or just being emotionally or physically available. And don't be so quick to get upset with your partner if you see them being a little bit more naggy or aggy, if you will. And if you see them maybe, slipping up here or there, forgetting to do this, forgetting to do that. Patience is really what you need for your relationship after having kids. Patience, 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 patience. Can't emphasize that enough. Or patience is something that you absolutely positively need when you have kids.
Oh, and also putting date night at of utmost importance. So us as a couple have time for each other to continue to grow our love and continue to stay spicy with each other and having date nights. Like it was important before, now it feels like even more important to make sure we do that for us in our relationship.
Absolutely.